Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Now I am starting from mineral number 107, which is Realgar. So the habit of Realgar is usually massive. The hardness is ranging from 1 to 2 and the specific gravity is 3.6. The luster of Realgar is resinous. The color is red. Streak is reddish or orange. Their cleavage is good and fracture is subtle. The occurrence, or we can say the occurrences of Realgar are associated with orpiment in hydrothermal sulfide veins, also as deposits from hot springs and volcanicity. Number 108 is rhodochrosite. So the habit of rhodochrosite is usually massive and the hardness is 4 and their specific gravity 3.7. Luster is vitreous and the color is pink to red, brownish or yellow. The streak is white, perfect cleavage in uneven or brittle fracture. And there are the occurrences of rhodochrosite are veinstone in lead and silver lead ore veins, also in metasomatic deposits. Number 109 is rhodolite. So the habit of rhodolite is usually massive. The family of rhodolite is pyroxenites and their hardness is 6 and the specific gravity 3.5. Luster is vitreous. The color of rhodolite is flesh red, black, green, yellow, where impurities. The streak is white, perfect cleavage and fracture is conchoidal. Occurrences are hydrothermal or metasomatic veins as veinstone in lead and silver lead veins, sometimes used ornamentally. Number 110 is Riverkite. So the family of Riverkite is amphiboles. The habit is prismatic and their hardness is 6 and specific gravity is 3.4. The luster is vitreous, color is blue to black, streak will be white, blue or grey, and the cleavage of the Riverkite is perfect. The occurrences of Riverkite are it occurs in the acid igneous rocks, soda-rich granite, also in metamorphic rocks. So viewers, it is all about today's lecture, and I hope you will enjoy these valuable and distinguishable physical characters of minerals. So now let's wait for my next video for more information. Thank you.